Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to 1v1 your friends on CS2. But before we do get into it, I would like to just remind you to please like and subscribe to the channel to never miss more content like this. But nonetheless, let's get right into it. Alright, so first thing you want to do is go on the very right side and look for a friend that you want to 1v1, then click on the invite button. Then once your friend has joined the lobby, click on play on the very top and find workshop maps. Now you can use the normal maps that CS2 offers, but if you want a better 1v1 experience, I suggest you play through workshop maps for a better gaming experience. Once you're here in the workshop tab, you want to make your way over to the bottom left where it says visit workshop, and it will then redirect you towards a browser with a list of all community made maps for CS2. In this case, just search up 1v1 and find any map that suits you. Once you find a map that you like, just click on the plus icon next to it while hovering over the map, and it will instantly be added to your map gallery. Now in your map gallery, click on the map that you just added and click on the green go button on the very bottom right. Then it will then ask you what game mode you want to play in this map. Typically it's up to you, but I usually set it to competitive to play the most rounds. Then click on go. It will then load the map, so just wait for it. Now once you're in the map, you will have to choose a side. It doesn't matter which side you choose, it's completely up to you. Then once you're in the game, a bot will automatically be added. Now to remove the bot, you first need to enable the Game Developer Console. To do this, you need to go to your settings under the Game tab, and on the very top, you will see Enable Developer Console. Simply put the option to yes and go to Console Keybinds to see which the console command is binded to on your keyboard. Now open the Game Developer Console using the keybind it is set to and type in the command bot_kick. Which will then kick all the bots in the game. Then your friends can now go on the opposite side and start 1v1ing from there. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.